This year, Pioneer is introducing a brand new line of models, a brand new revamped single CD line of models. We're pretty excited about. We're carrying over the DEH 1300 MP. It's our entry-level model for the basic single CD user. One set of RCAs. Very simple to use. Next, we move up to the DEH 2400 UV. It's our first USB model, entry-level model. It's very simple. Plug in your USB device, and then you can play your iPod. You can play your USB devices as well. Very simple piece. Has volume controls. Your search, very simple search method, and you have your presets as well. Moving on to the DEH 3400 UV, we're doing a lot of color customization. Customization is very important for your average user. They want to be unique, they want to be different. What we allow them to do is actually change the color illumination scheme on their head unit. You can take the total left side of the buttons and make it one color, and you can make the right side of the LCD display and the preset button look totally different. HD radio is one of the fastest growing trends in our market, in our industry. It's a free service to everybody. It gives you multiple multicasting channels. So if a station is broadcasting at 106.7 like K-Rock, they have K-Rock HD1 and K-Rock HD2. This also has color customization, built-in HD radio, and a new display, a new screen. Gives you more text, richer text. It's actually bigger than the previous one. Next, we have the DEH 6400 BT. Very similar to this model here. With built-in Bluetooth. The Bluetooth actually lets you do hands-free calling, which is really good for those, especially in California where there's a lot of hands-free laws. You get a ticket, you don't want to be paying a ticket. So we have added Bluetooth. And we also have audio streaming on our Bluetooth devices. All of our Bluetooth models have audio streaming, so you can now stream your audio from your iPhone, from your Android device, from your BlackBerry, and have it all come over on your a new radio that we're actually really excited about, a new set of radios that we're really excited about because we wanted to grab a youthful demographic, the younger demographic. It's the DEH P7400 HD and the DEH P8400 BH. Very similar in cosmetics and very similar in features. The difference is that one has HD radio, the other has built-in HD radio and Bluetooth. What you're seeing here is flashing illumination. This flashing illumination is part of our new feature that we've added called Mixtrax. Mixtrax is basically like an auto DJ. Basically, it's a mix button, and your music starts to play, and it's like a DJ in your car with transitions from one song to the next, using DJ effects. Very similar to what you'll hear at a club or a party. You can't have a party without illumination, without lights, so we also added some illumination patterns that people can see, and they can get that effect that they were still like they were still in the club or on their way to sleep. Next up is our flagship single CD models. We're very excited about these flagship models. We have the DEH P9400 VH. It's a built-in Bluetooth and HD radio. It's got IP bus, and it's got a full OEL display. Very nice looking piece. It's a flip-down face, which we haven't had in a while. It's a flat face. Built-in Bluetooth, audio streaming as well.
It's got Mixtrax.
Same color customization. So as you can see, there's a lot of our features, and actually move them up to the next.
And it looks like it's just going crazy.
The next piece is one of our audio file pieces. It's a DEH 80 PRS, Pioneer Reference Series radio. It's a 16-band graphic. It's a left and right independent EQ. You can have it set for RCAs at 5 volts. You can have it set for front, rear, and sub, or you can actually change it to high, mid, and low for that front stage experience. It has built-in Bluetooth. It has 2 sets of USB, 2 USB, and 1 amp current outputs. You can charge your iPhone, your iPod in the trunk, your iPhone on you at all times, or your Android device where you can actually have it plugged in. This year we're proud to announce that we have a brand new AV line. We're very happy to know that we're very aggressive this year with our AV line, introducing brand new products. We have a completely revamped cosmetic in our lines, and we've actually added a lot of new features in our lineup. We're starting off with a AVHP 1400 DVD, the DVD player. It's iPhone and iPod ready, Pandora ready as well. We've added Pandora in all of our models. USB control for iPhone and iPod. Very simple touchscreen operation with a 5.8-inch screen, and it has 3 sets of RCA, 2-volt output. Moving on, we're actually adding Bluetooth into the next model, AV-P2400BT. It's a similar cosmetic, very similar style. We've added Bluetooth to this model. You get the same performance, the same appearance, just with Bluetooth. And the Bluetooth is streaming. What's great about the streaming audio on these now is that the information you send over is not just music anymore, it's actually metadata. So you get your artist, album, and song information via Bluetooth on the screen. Next up, we have the AV-HP3400BH. It's very similar again to the cosmetics of the appearance and the feature set. The difference is that we've added HD radio. Now with these models, when you set HD radio station, you're actually getting the preset information and the channel name or the station name appears here on the side. So it's not just the actual digits, it's now the actual text. This year we're really happy to announce that we finally added a 7-inch monitor with built-in Bluetooth and HD radio. In the past we hadn't had pieces that had built-in Bluetooth. Now we have that piece in the 7-inch screen. The AV-HP4400BH has all the features that we've been showing you with the 5.8-inch screen, just in a 7.8-inch screen. You also have 3 sets of RCAs, high-volt RCAs, so it's 4-volt RCAs. And you're looking at the same connectivity, Bluetooth, HD radio, Pandora, you can do iTunes tagging, a lot of different features that you can add to this piece. It's navigation ready if you want to add navigation. It's our entry-level 7-inch screen. We're really excited about this next piece. It's one of the pieces that we actually feel is going to be very strong this year. It's our flagship AV-H piece, the AV-HP8400BH. This piece has everything. It's got a totally revamped user interface. It's got front sources, and it's got rear sources for rear control of rear monitors, so you can actually send sources to independent areas of the vehicle. It's got built-in HD radio. It's got built-in Bluetooth. And it's also got HD artist experience. That means that if the station is broadcasting any artist information, such as the album, song, or the station name, it'll actually sometimes broadcast the album art of the song or the artist. That information will be displayed. That information will be displayed on the screen, and you can actually see what the album art looks like. This next feature is another feature that's out part of it. It's one of our newest features called Mixtrax. We're really excited about Mixtrax. What it does is basically allows your songs to mix like an auto DJ, and you can actually do different things. Your album art will start to move and dance, and you get a little laser light show in the back of the screen. It keeps that party going, keeps that feeling going, so that you never feel like you're out of the club. Your music is always upbeat and aggressive and fun, and you're there in the club at all times. You can actually speed up the tempo too of the song that you're currently listening to by adjusting it or slowing it down. It's pretty cool. So you actually get really into your music. Another cool feature on this piece is the auto EQ, or the EQ feature. It actually allows you to change the EQ setting by just dragging your finger across the screen. It's very cool. That's how it's set. It's very independent. Last year, Franny introduced one of the newest radios that revolutionized the industry. It's called the AppRadio. We're really excited about it because it's the first of its type that actually allowed you to control and manipulate apps from the face of the radio. Most of the time, you had to do it with your hand on the radio or the phone, and with all the hands-free laws, that's kind of unsafe to do, and you don't want to do it. What you're able to do is allow you to control the apps. We're really excited about these products. With the iPhone 4, you actually hit the apps button, launch the app radio, and you can actually control a lot of the apps. Drag your finger across, select the app, and the app starts to play. Well, this year we've actually expanded the AppRadio feature. We've actually added a new model, AppRadio 2. AppRadio 2 is a much bigger screen. It's a 7-inch screen, 2 sets of RCA, and now it's Android compatible. You can actually connect your Android devices and still be able to control the apps that are on the screen without any hesitation or any problems. It's a much safer, much user-friendly experience for everybody and for your customers. find a place to go, you need to find things. Navigation is the way to go. Navigation pieces is what we feel we're the leaders in the industry with our navigation pieces. We have 2 navigation pieces. This year we're introducing the AV X940 VT. Has built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling, audio streaming as well. It has 12 million points of interest using NavTech mapping. It has a lot of sources that you can actually connect. Connect your AM FM, connect your Bluetooth audio, connect your DVD as well, or at satellite radio, which is at satellite radio. This is a great piece, 6.1-inch screen, so it's very easy, very nice little piece. It uses micro SD cards as well versus standard SD card to add more media and more content. And our flagship navigation model, the AVIC Z140BH. This unit has built-in Bluetooth and built-in HD radio. It offers a large 7-inch screen, 12 million points of interest, USB connectivity, iPod connectivity, and Android connectivity. You can actually now connect your Android connected phone device and get Pandora and AHA applications from the new user interface. Very nice looking piece. It has rear controls for rear monitors, independent from the front source. It has 3 sets of RCAs, high volt RCAs. It also has traffic tuner control, traffic tuner as well, so you can actually see what the traffic is like. It's a free service, and it has voice control for Bluetooth and for artist information. So you can now say, play the artist, the name, and it'll start playing the song. And that's our navigation lineup and our AV lineup. We hope you guys are excited about it. You know we are. For more information, visit us at pioneerelectronics.com.